Now let us see about blocks. So there is a begin and end block, so which can be used in our program. So what is the use? Let us see. So begin, all should be in capital letter, don't forget. And inside the parentheses you can write any number of lines. So for this illustration I will be writing simply starting point, and then there is one more like end block. End block will be executed at the end of the program. Puts ending point, and in the middle you can write your program, any program, like let us say, let us write puts only. Puts inside main program. Here we can write any line of code, like in the end, begin, or like when we execute, let us see what happens. See here, first begin, starting point is executed, then inside the main program, then the ending point. You can write it anywhere, like let me show you. Let me copy this, paste it here. Let me copy this, paste it here. Delete this and delete this begin, and let me copy this one and let us put it here. Let there be two statements, no problem. Now let us save it and execute and understand it. Save it, execute it. See here, wherever you put the begin block, first the system goes to the begin and execute that lines of code inside the flower parentheses or this flower braces, and then the rest of the code is executed. See here, first starting point is executed, then both of these again it will come from the start, it will ignore the end, and then this one is executed, this one is executed, and at the end of the program only the end block is executed. Like this you can place the block according to your requirement. Suppose you are writing 100 lines of program, so you forgot something to write, you can add this keyword begin and write and tell the system that first execute this code and then execute the other code. This is the use of end block and begin block. Hope you understood. Write a program using this begin and end. Suppose in our case we have seen the example, like when we created a function, add function, first we have to create a function and then we should have to call. So instead of that, first call the function and write the function inside the begin block and try it. So according to your requirement you can use this end and begin. Hope you understood. Meet you in the next video.